Hey everyone, welcome to another error video. If your Blox root's not working on your Blox, don't worry about it. In this video, I will show you how to fix this problem. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. First, when you click on the Blox roots, when open Blox roots and you found any issue in this game, then first click on the setting icon and go to the setting and check and go to the account info and your mobile number and Gmail ID is verified and as well as your also verify your age. If not verify your age, then first verify your age by following this method. After verifying, you are able to play Blox Fruit games. Click on it and click on this icon and download and install it. After doing this step, if it is not working, then click on the three dotted button and go to the settings and click on the privacy and security and click on the delete browsing data and select advanced and select archive, clear cookies the site and browsing history and delete. After deleting this, again log in your Roblox account and check the error. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching.